Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today I want to talk about 3 advanced skills in Microsoft Word that you should know as a beginner paralegal. In fact, I had been a paralegal probably for 5 years before I learned how to utilize one of these skills that I'm going to talk about today, how to really use it. I would do it by hand before these features were available on software. And but then I had a paralegal that I worked with sit down and show me how to do this. So 3 of the advanced skills are table of contents, table of authorities, and the merge feature, where you merge a form letter with addresses. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about, now you should learn all 3 and go to YouTube and find videos for 2 of them that I won't be talking about today, and just do a search, find a teacher that you like, and learn how to do these advanced skills. But for the table of authorities, I will be posting a link. So if you're watching on well, let's see, if you're watching on YouTube at Paralegal Career Mastermind, you will see the link in the description box. Okay, if you're watching on TikTok, then you can actually go to my bio and click on the link there to my website, and I will post a special page with this link on it for you. Okay, so you will see a tab that will say Advanced Skills. Okay, so look for that tab, Advanced Microsoft Word Skills, but I'll just put Advanced Skills. Okay, so look for that on the Paralegal Coffee Talk website. It's paralegalcoffeetalk.com, and that will be easy for you to find, and you'll look for that Advanced Skills tab. Okay, the table of authorities is simply a list of law that is quoted or cited, as we say in the legal field, in the legal brief, for instance. And so that will be at the front of the brief. There'll be a table of contents and then the table of authorities, so that the judge that's reading the brief can find those citations easily and on what page they're on. So it's like a table of contents for law, but it's called Table of Authorities. So the link that I'm going to post is great, and it will help you learn this, and so you should practice it, and then how to do it and get it on your resume, that you know how to perform these skills. Okay, take care.